You excited? So tell me a little bit about your train.
I like my train.
Uh-huh. You love this gift that mommy got you?
Yes.
Really?
Yes.
So tell me how much you love it, Skylar. Look at mommy. Hey. Skylar, you're not paying me no attention. I don't like that.
Mommy, I put him back.
You don't miss me?
I do miss you.
So why you not talking to me? Yes, you are talking to me. No, you're not.
I am not talking to you.
I love you.
I
Skylar, I can't hear you.
love you too.
Oh, really? So, that's all? You're not going to play with mommy anymore?
Yes, I'm Huckleberry.
Yeah?
Yes.
So when? I'm not getting no attention here, kid.
I'm Huckleberry with you, Mommy.
Yeah?
Yes.
Where's your train by the name of Skylar? Where's your Skylar train? Mommy got to put the batteries in this, Skylar.
Okay.
All right? Come on, come have breakfast. Sky, come and have breakfast. There you could play. It's not going anywhere. It's yours.
It's yours forever.
Skylar, could you come and have breakfast with mommy?
Um,
We need to have Christmas breakfast together. Come on.
but said going to eat them, and then said they're going to eat them down the chimney.
You're going to eat them down the chimney?
Mhm.
What do you mean he's going to eat them down the chimney?
Sometimes gonna eat them down the chimney.
Mommy,
What?
these are cones, Mommy.
Yes, they are cones. You know your stuff.
When the friends hit them,
Mm-hmm. Actually, this is a construction site. They're actually building stuff with this. And then these are the little blocks they have to take up. See? And this is the crane. No, well, let me show you how you do it. You roll it down. See, look, it's going down. Look, it's going down. See? You roll it and it goes down. But this is a construct. You see the man? Look at the construction man. It's awesome.
do you see the man right there?
Yeah. And the train is carrying the
Mommy,
stuff.
I like the tracks, Mommy.
You like the tracks?
Yes.
They're wood.
Look, Mommy.
They're wood
And
tracks.
it goes down, then under, and it goes on the pitch.
Yes, it goes on the bridge. Very good. It's a nice town, right? Wait, mommy's going to move it, Sky, so you'll be able to access it better. Okay?
I like my base set, Mommy.
You like what?
I like my base set.
You like your play set?
Yeah.
Oh, this is nice.
Oh, thank you.
I caught it in.
Oh, okay. Go boom.
Look, Mommy.
That's a taxi.
There's 7 and the sheet and grass.
And the grass?
Yes.
Okay.
See, it's wrapping around and around.
Oh.
It goes backwards and backwards and
That's a stoplight. No, that's a street light.
Yeah.
To let you see where it lets the cars and the trains see where they're going at nights.
Yeah.
Isn't it awesome?
Yeah, it is awesome.
Because you're an awesome kid, so mommy got it for you. Okay, time to eat now, Bum Bum. Let's go. Because you almost wet yourself from opening your gift and don't want to go to the bathroom. Say bye, everyone.
Bye, everyone.
No, to the camera. To the camera.
Bye, everyone. Got that for you.